Okay, everyone. This is going to be a quick little demonstration uh, by the group or for the group on what I'm talking about when I say making primitive fire. As you can see, I'm fixing to be rained on, so I'm doing this in the rain as well. Uh, what we got here is some thistle seedlings. Uh, these can be used just like cattail fluff. Then we got some grass, dry grass, dead dry grass. Um, these twigs are from just little weeds and stuff growing around the pond. Then we got some fat wood and some tulip poplar bark that's been dried. And finally some split tulip poplar. Now, the thing about this is, I'm going to be starting this fire using flint and steel method. Now, this is a piece of chert. It's not actually flint, but it's hard enough to get a spark. And it comes from the driveway. So, this makes it a little bit easier for you out there who are entering the contest. You don't have to use flint, you can use chert. Also, this is a little tool that a friend sent me. I'm not sure whether he's part of the group or not. I think he is, but anyway, it's got a flat side that's got sort of sharp edges that's good for striking ferro rods. It's got a rounded edge that will give me a spark from flint and steel. It has a bevel here for using as a press for bow drill, and it's got two holes that can be utilized to do a number of things. So it's sort of like a little bushcraft survival multi-tool. It also has reflective properties, so could possibly be used in signaling. Made of high carbon steel, so it throws a good spark. So that's what I'm going to use for the fire today. So let's see if we can get this going the way we want to. I'm going to turn my camera around and prop it up so we can maybe see everything that's going on here. So anyway, to get our split wood, I just batoned these pieces of dry tulip poplar, advancing the surface area of this wood and exposing inner drier wood. So that's basically what we did with that. With the tulip poplar, I just broke it into strips like this. It's dry, still got a green color to it, but it's dry, and it will fray along the edges and catch fire fairly well. Now, first thing we're going to do is get our initial bird's nest tinder bundle going here. And basically what I'm going to use to start that, I'm going to attempt to do this with just the spark from this. If I can't get it to light, I'm going to use char cloth. You have to create some kind of sharp edge that will receive a striking point surface for this to throw a spark, and we're going to see if we can just throw a spark down into that and see if we can get flame from it. I don't know if I can do it with the chert, and it's not looking like it's going to be promising. It's throwing a spark, but not good enough to get down in that and light it. So let's try to do this with a piece of charcoal. Still primitive method. There we go. We're going to put that down in there and see if we can get that to ignite. Remember, this is semi-damp material. We have fire. Now, I'm going to add my fat wood, which will ignite and ensure the extended flame long enough for my poplar to advance. And I just basically go around through there, staggering these sticks all around. And we have one example of a primitive method of sustainable fire. Now from that I can build whatever size fire that I need, but as you can see, once we got the char cloth ignited and into the tinder bundle, it was pretty much on from there. So this is the kind of example I'm looking for in the contest, is for you to end up with a fire like that.